Longest.
I'm Jacob Longest.
And welcome to Asian at Home. So there's a reason why Jacob's here. Before we start the recipe, he is going to explain something about Bob.
Bob is our lobster. I was in charge of going to pick up Bob, and then I got sneak attacked by the Asian seafood man. So he takes it out of the water, and I think he drops it. And then he just puts it in the bag and throws it on the scale, and I'm like, okay, whatever.
Doesn't even show you the whole lobster.
No, doesn't even show me the whole lobster. That's the sneak attack. Bob shows up at our house with only one claw and one antenna. It'd be different if he was a small little guy, but he's a big old guy. But
like 5-pound guy.
Sorry, Bob.
So anyways, we're gonna make it suffering time very short. So let's start making
let's get started.
Delicious. So it's time to cook Bob. You should never name your food. I have a boiling water with a strainer, and hopefully Bob fits in here, but I don't know if he will fit there or not. Whoa. Like I said, I never cooked this big lobster before. I'm a little scared. You think he will fit? He doesn't fit in here. Oh, oh, he's looking at me. So 2 pounds, about 9 minutes, and go ahead and add 1 more minute per half pound. Because we are not trying to fully cook, we are trying to cook maybe more like a 3/4 way, because after they're steaming, we are going to broil them to finish cook. And now I'm going to make flavored oil to butter up the lobster and stir fry our noodles. It's going to be so good. So first, what you need is 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1/4 cup of chopped garlic, 4 green onions that I chopped, and 1 large lemongrass, also finely chopped. So about 3 tablespoons, 4 Thai chilies that I chopped. It's optional for a spicy lover like me or you guys, but if you don't like spicy, go ahead and remove it. It's totally fine and delicious. And some black pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. You can use honey or regular sugar instead of palm sugar. Now we are going to bring this to the stove. All right, turn on the heat to medium low, and we are gonna let it slowly infuse all their delicious flavor to the butter, 10 to 15 minutes. My flavored butter smells so good. I just turned off the heat. It's ready to go. Now it's time for my lobster. This has got to be thumbnail, like right here. Cut this lobster in half in lengthwise. So what you need to do is have this big chef knife and hold it like this tight. Pick the middle of the head part, and what we're gonna do is and just cut it half. Oh my Jesus. Okay. Okay. Whew. We're gonna do the same thing to the tail. Why he has so much? It's like ridiculous amount. I never seen this much. Is he like not right? Smells right. Maybe that's from the stress. Maybe I should move that, huh? Lobster. Oh, this is the eggs. But then why are they turning into black color like this? Can you look up? These are eggs. Why they're black? Oh, so it's turning into red, huh? After they cook. Okay, got it. I'm sorry, I didn't know. We just Googled why lobster eggs are black. But because they are not cooked yet. Good, because you're supposed not fully cooked yet. Because I'm going to actually put some butter and broil them until they actually finish cooking and get all the butter flavor melt down into their meat. Okay, so she's not Bob, she is Samantha. I'm going to place my lobster onto the baking dish. About 2 tablespoons of this flavored oil on each half of the lobster. Now I'm going to broil them on the high broiler for 2 to 3 minutes or until it's nice golden brown on top and it finished the cooking. Meanwhile, the lobster is boiling. I'm going to quickly make stir-fried noodles to go along with the lobster. So this is the type of egg noodles that I really like that I got from my local Asian grocery store at the refrigerator section. So this is a part-cooked egg noodles. All you have to do is just separate them by carefully like this. And I'm going to pour all this flavored oil into the wok and turn on the heat to high. So you can use any type of egg noodles that you like, but this is my favorite. Let's add the noodles, egg noodles. Yeah, so this is about 1 pound of noodles. So we are just gonna stir fry all together with additional about 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Not too much because the flavored butter is already seasoned, but you just need a little more help. And little splash of water. The noodle is about to be done. We're gonna add 3 green onions that I cut it into 2-inch long pieces and just stir fry away one more time. It's ready to serve. Since this is a very special recipe with 5 pounds of lobster, I'm gonna serve on a tray because I have no dish that will fit the lobster. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. It's such an epic dish. Don't forget this juice. We're gonna pour this juice where we can mix this with the noodles later. Yes. And serve with some lime juice. Just squeeze all there. Oh my God, this is so epic. Chopped cilantro. Why chopped cilantro? Because this is Asian at home. That's why. Am I too excited? Okay. And some fried shallot if you have some. Everybody posting this lobster noodle picture on Instagram, so now we can too. Since I teach you how to do it, you can make it and you take a picture. You don't have to go all the way to LA. You're welcome. And I'm pretty sure the flavor is better too. Just saying.
Smells so good. Yeah. This thing is huge. We might have to call for some reinforcement.
We need to call what?
We need to call for some reinforcements. Like backup. People to come help us eat it. See, really, it looks nice like this, but I want to take all the meat out and just mix it up with the noodle. So then you just...
It looks so good. I don't want to tear it up. I should take a picture with my phone.
No, leave your head looking down and then just your eyes. Other way. All the way like you're trying to look behind you almost. No. Leave your head that way and just put your eyes over there. Stop laughing. No laughing.
This is the proof of a perfectly cooked lobster.
Whoa.
Look at that. Okay.
Delicious.
With the noodles.
Garlic noodles.
Cheers.
That's so good. After you cook like this, if you want to though, I still suggest getting all the meat out, put it on the noodle and mix it up.
I mean, you can definitely do this with just lobster tail. If you liked my lemongrass garlic lobster noodles, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching us today, and remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longast.
And I'm Jacob Longest.
And this is Asian at Home. And we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Get my merch. Get my merch. Link is down below.